What is going on, everybody? It is your guy James Raw. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Volt Air Jordan 1s, the brand new sneakers that will be dropping this upcoming Saturday on the 9th. These sneakers will cost $170 and grade school will cost $130. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys the best ways to cop this sneaker, and also we're going to be talking about resell predictions for these kicks. So just in case you come up with the L this upcoming weekend, you want to know how much you're going to pay resell, or you're trying to, make some money on the side. What I mean by that is by reselling these kicks. This is the video for you. I'm going to give you the most accurate how to cop and resell predictions, so make sure you tune in for the whole video, people. But before we get into the video, my name is James Raw. You want to stay up to date on sneaker news, reviews, and updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you give this video a like. It goes a long way for helping out the channel, and plus it's free. It will cost you nothing to do so. I appreciate all you guys' support. Thank you guys so much. But first, let's talk about online and in-store raffles. Right now, the independent sneaker stores that's doing these in-store and online raffles is Bait, Chic, and also Oneness. It all depends your location for these raffles, so make sure you hit up your hometown boutiques, see their process about these sneakers, and you want to make sure you want to call these people as early as possible, because a lot of raffles start early in the week, so you want to jump on that as soon as you can. But one of the earliest raffles that started is from Finish Line. The Finish Line raffle is already ended. They ended that like 2 days ago. I know it's kind of irrelevant now, but for future purposes, if you want to do a Finish Line raffle, they're probably the only sneaker store that does their raffles a week in advance. So if a sneaker drops on a Saturday, they start their raffles on the Friday, Saturday prior, a week before the actual release date. And once they start their raffle, they only have it up for about 2 days. So once you see it up, you got to put your ticket in for the Finish Line raffle as soon as possible, because they will close it down on the low. One thing about Finish Line raffles, it is impossible to win these Finish Line raffles unless you have points. So if you have a Finish Line account and you have no points, get to a Finish Line store and just start buying up everything. Just walk in the store and just buy like 20 fitted hats. The second way that we're going to talk about is online reservations from the foot stores. I'm talking Foot Locker, Champs, and Foot Action. All three apps are the same because Foot Locker owns both those stores. And also, once you do these apps, make sure you get your head starts. These head starts are only for Flex members, and you can't do a reservation without being a Flex member. So you're gonna have to sign up, be a member, and earn those points just like how you did with the Finish Line points. You're going to need points for the head starts. It increase your chances of getting these hype kicks that Foot Locker, Foot Action, and Champs has to offer. You know what I mean? And just so you know, you have until the 8th, this Friday, to put in your ticket, 4:15 EST to be exact. Now, just in case you don't win any raffles for these kicks, the next best thing to do is wait for the 10 a.m. release on Saturday morning. Now, one of the first places you want to cop the sneaker on Saturday is from the Sneakers app. So on 10 a.m. sharp EST, you want to get on that Sneakers app and try to purchase the sneaker. They're doing the Leo process. What that means is let everyone order process. So they're gonna let you purchase the sneaker, but it's basically like a 3 to 5 minute raffle basically. After that time window, they'll let you know whether you were able to purchase the sneaker or not. So if your purchase did go through, you'll see the got 'em message all of your cell phone. If it didn't, it would just say sold out, pick another size. It's pretty cut and dry. Now, while you wait to see whether your purchase got processed or not, you're gonna wanna jump to the foot sites. And not only the foot sites, also Eastbay as well too. Don't forget about Eastbay. And not only Eastbay, don't forget about JD Sports as well too. The last 3 months, JD Sports has been the MVP, man. There have been a ton of W's on JD Sports. Time is not really the main thing. The main thing with those sites is persistence. You have to keep adding the cart. Even if it says sold out, you have to try to keep adding to the cart. You have to keep trying adding to the cart until the actual sneaker just disappears from the website, period. That's when you know it's really sold out. So it's all about being persistent and adding the cart with those foot sites. You just got to keep doing it until your sneakers make it through the cart. And the other places that are actually going to start their 10 a.m. sale is Shoe Palace. You got Shop Nike's Kicks. You also got DTLR as well too. But you got to be careful because those sites get botted like crazy. So let's talk about resell prediction. I I am hearing that these sneakers will be limited on the low. It's only going to be about 100,000 pairs, and you gotta spread that out with the grade schools and the adult sizes, and also with the sizes that's online as well too. The crazy thing about the sneaker is very, very unique. I don't see a huge demand for these kicks, but at the same time, I do think these sneakers are going to sell out. They probably won't sell out as fast as the mochas, I know, but still, I think these kicks will surprise a lot of people. With that said, I don't see a huge profit with these kicks. I would be shocked if these kicks go over $250 within the first month, depending on sizes. So right now on StockX, these sneakers are going for about $230 to $250, depending on size. And you know that's going to drop once these sneakers get released. So if you do plan on reselling these kicks, I suggest you go with the money sizes. The small sizes, 6, 6.5 to 7. You will get the most money with those sizes. You can also go for grade school as well too. I really predict about $30 to $50 profit with these kicks on a good day. But the thing is, you never know, because a lot of people got those stimulus checks. A lot of people done racked up this past weekend. So you never know. People might blow their whole $600 on a pair of J's. That won't surprise me at all. So just like any other Jordan 1, you're going to have to put some work in. I still, even though the demand is not up there, I still don't think these will be an easy cop. Jordan 1s are never an easy cop. I don't care how it looks. So there goes my how to cop and resell prediction. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Make sure you guys let me know in the comments, how do you feel about this colorway? And are you guys copping this upcoming weekend? Thank you guys so much. I see you guys when I see you. Peace.